Namaste, my dear friends. I'm Gyanin Singh, and my poetic name is Kavi Gyani Hindustan. From today, again, I going to start my live for some contemporary subjects to express my point of view, my thoughts, my feelings, and in this way, I want to tell you some first and foremost that last year, since 4th April 2020, nearly for 6 months or so, I completed giving at least 4 times live per day for two subjects. First subject was for as English teachings, and second subject was expressing my thoughts about health awareness. And in this way, at least nearly 6 months, it was continued, and then for some reasons I had to stop my that lives. And now today, since today I am going to start my this live. Uh, and every day I would like to give such kinds of live to say my words about contemporary subjects, whatever is going on in our country, some burning on some burning topic. I would like to express my feelings and my thoughts, so that I can participate. Uh, I can participate for my responsibility for such important matters. So these days, whatever is going on in our country or in other parts of the world, what are the burning topics or important subjects, it is our duty to have some feelings, some thoughts to express our point of view about that. If we don't do like that, anything, then we are not taking any kind of responsibility or liabilities to do something for playing the role of as a responsible human beings on this earth. So that's why I uh, uh, I wished to do such kinds of work for a long time. I used to have such feelings, but I could not start this such work. And previously, I used to think that I would like to do this work for some preparation, some preparations, and being prepared well. All that matters, and making good um, videos. I would upload that on Facebook or YouTube, etc., and so that I can show my thoughts properly. But I felt that it was uh, taking postponed, and it was taking time, and for making so many plannings, I could not do anything like that. So in the long run, now I have decided that I would start it. I would like to now I go and now I would like to start it at randomly, come what may. That it doesn't matter whether it is not to be up to the mark or so, but I have to start. I have to do my work as my responsibility or my first and foremost liability to do such a work, such important work, to express my feelings or my point of view about all important matters, whatever is going on in our country, and whatever is should be expressed, our feelings or thoughts or ideas about all these matters. So there are so many burning topics, there are so many main topics in our country as farmer movement, and so many things are everywhere here. And so it's our duty that we should have some idea about that, and we should have our own attitude about them. That's why I would have such ideas to express my feelings about them. So today I'm going to start it, whether it is not up to the mark or not very well, but I have to start, and in this way I feel now that uh, it will be better day by day, and I would like to express my feelings about them. So first of all, I want to say that many people in our country think that we should not say anything, any word against the against our government, whether they are good or bad. But I don't think so. I think if we do like that, whether if we think that we should not raise our voice to anybody, whether he is our, whether somebody is our father or mother or any other one, to whom, or Guruji or our teachers, if we think that such any one of them not playing their any one of them is not playing its his or her respective role, we should raise our question. We should say whatever is we are, whatever is there questionable. So this is very important. If we don't do anything like that, if we don't raise our voice, then we will be called and or we should be regard ourselves that we are like a coward, we are like a indiscriminate or stupid persons if we are not have our free ideas, our free, whether we say anything or think wrong, but we should try our best to think ourselves, we should have our own ideas. So that's why we should have like that. In the same manner, if we say that these persons who are as so-called farmers running their movements, they are people say that most of them are not real farmers, they are militants or they are Khalistani or like that. So we should have our own ideas whether it may be right or wrong. If I think if they are or some of them are militants or they are terrorists or Khalistani, it is the weakness of our government that they don't capture them. They should capture them if they are Khalistani or they are terrorists also. So it's not the fault to them, but it's a fault to our government or it's a fault to our police police department also. So we should have our own ideas about that. That it is not good. That whatever anybody say, we should regard that okay, this is right. We should have our own independent ideas. Secondly, yesterday it is very important news about our chief minister of our state, Uttarakhand. That is now, as we know, our new chief minister is Tirath Singh Rawat, and a few days ago, our former chief minister resigned for Trivandrum Singh Rawat resigned for his post as chief minister, and a new chief minister has come. His name is Tirath Singh Rawat, and he has done a very devastable or very questionable work. As he changed that law of the former chief minister who made that terms and conditions that whoever will attend in the Kumbh Mela, Kumbh Fair, which is going on these days in our state at the in the city of Haridwar. So he made this rule that whoever will attend that Kumbh Mela to take bath, they should have the negative report of coronavirus. But a new chief minister Tirath Singh Rawat has changed them that no need to have any report like that or negative report of coronavirus. Now very devastable and very questionable or very strange news about Tirath Singh Rawat, that he said that a few days ago he saw in aeroplane a girl who has wearing jeans, opening his thighs or like that, and he's just saying it's as universal and the public as his speech. That's to say or to raise a voice in the favor of Indian culture. It's good, and anything saying about the against of Indian culture is not so bad. Whatever is against in our Indian culture, that is we can say that is not good. But if we say wrongly in a wrong manner, it is not fair. That's our chief minister said that I saw his knee and then I saw his thighs upside like that. So it is not like educated people, educated persons, or like in a like an civilized person. So we should not have such. We should not praise these things, and such kinds of things. So we should not be praised. It is very strange that a very responsible post of chief minister, such kinds of persons saying like that. So we should have our own ideas about that. That whatever we are listening like that, that is very unusual, very strange things. So we should have, we must have our own ideas about such kinds of things. Whatever is not going well, so we should raise our voice if something we find wrongly or questionable. So we should not think like that. We should not raise our voice to our father, mother, or sister, or guru, teacher, etc. Or even we can say, or we can say anything against any persons, whether he is prime minister or the chief minister, who is not saying anything fair to the good of others, or for the humanity, or to the society of our country. So that's why we should have our own independent ideas, and free ideas should be regarded and should be honored here. So these for today are my thoughts about for my this second live about contemporary subject. And every day since today, today is 19th March 2021. Since today, I would like to I would like to give live every day for saying my voice, or raising questions, or expressing my feelings about so many topics or subjects from time to time every day. Thank you so much. I hope that day by day, in this manner, I would say my words in a better manner. As today is the first day, and without preparations, I have started it, and hopefully, gradually, I would like to give my lives with some preparation or so. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you must have pay attention about my words, and would like to praise, or would like to embrace, would like to accept my ideas to some extent. So thank you very much once again for watching and listening my words. Thank you so much. Namaste. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.